Nainis si Congressman Castro sa Office of the Vice President Executive Secretary na si Attorney Zulaika Lopez.
Siga ba yung Office of the Vice President na utusan yung OVP, utusan ang COA na hindi kami sundin ang Congress or House of Representatives?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, hindi po siga-siga ang OVP. I truly apologize if there was something in that letter that slighted you on a personal note. It was not my intention, Your Honor. I deeply apologize and I wish...
Nawala ang yabang niya na pangisingisi.
August 21, 2024, muli na naman po kayong sumulat kay Chairman ng COA. At dito, sa laman po ng sulat ninyo, ipinapakiusap ninyo na kung maaari, huwag i-share ang audit observation ng COA sa Kongreso or tungkol sa pondo ng OVP at DepEd.
As in conduct of proceedings, may I move to cite Attorney Lopez in contempt, Mr. Chair. I move.
Second to the motion.
Second.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none.
Magandang araw sa inyong panonood. Sana huwag kalimutang i-follow ang aking Facebook page at mag-subscribe na rin sa aking YouTube channel na Stories of Uncle Paeng.